Hello, good day everyone, Rogelio here, and today I'm going to share to you a new added feature on Teams. It is about the attendance. So let's go over the video. So if you are on your Teams and you just had your class, so for example, I had my English class just now, I can just go on through this part where meeting has ended. You have the video where if it's taken and it is recorded, then below it you can see the attendance report. Once you click on the attendance report, it will fetch attendance report to download, and then it will direct it to your folder. Once you had it in your folder, you can see a meeting attendance report in your folder, and when you open that, this will give you information about your students, the joining time, the leave time, and the duration of the lesson. So this will be a great help for you to track attendance of your students, especially if you are teaching multiple subjects within your class. Thank you so much. I hope you have learned something today. Till next time. Bye.